We're gonna take a look at the Elgato Heavy Clam. Open it up. We have this manual, how to use it, quick start guide. Get connected, it says. Let's see what's in here. Feels like it's a screw or something. One of those things to actually make screws tighter. And this is the clam. And there's multiple attachment points here on the Heavy Clam. One right in the bottom, in the left side or right side, depending on, well, which way you are gonna aim it. Kind of like on the top and at the top. Now, there's attachment points here and here, but you can get these off and attach them somewhere else. You can use it with a bunch of other things from the Elgato Multimount, so you can have like a longer stick, you can have like a flex arm or something like that. Basically, you can make your perfect setup with these things by using these different components, and this is the one that you can attach to like a table or something like that. This one is kind of heavy and big, so it can hold a lot of weight. That's why this is the Heavy Clam. It can hold a lot of weight.